Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you have a pond supply store, then keep your eyes peeled because in this video today, I'm going to be walking you through the process of building a website for your business on the Marty Sites platform. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, Pond Supply Store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our Pond Supply Store so it can generate a simple website for our business. I'm going to go ahead and put in our company name. Okay, I'm now going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change our type of business from restaurant to retail. Click on continue and move along. Awesome. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to pop our phone number in over here as well as my email address and click on continue. Where is our pond supply store located? Let's go ahead and put in our street address as well as our postal code. Awesome. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to go ahead and say we open from 9 a.m. and we close at 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. We closed on a Sunday. Nope, we closed on Sunday, and let's do a quick review. Let's make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location and update hours and make the necessary changes. And look at that, Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my pond supply store in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. You can see they're all really high quality, visually stunning images, and they're all completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own great images of your pond supply store and all the different products you stock. And I'm sure you want to make one or two changes to this content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to hire a web professional either. And you don't need to know any coding. So today I'm going to be walking you through the process from the top to the bottom, each section, making my way through so you can see how easy it is to make those amendments. Let's get cracking. I'm now going to head to the top very quickly and I'm going to click on update section. Now over here, the first thing I want to do is click on show email on site. My email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. We've already put in our physical location, our street address, and the great thing about it, it's displayed in the top left hand corner. When your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your pond supply store. Let's save and let's head over to update social links. Now, over here, we can put in the various social media platforms that our pond supply store is active on. The icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address, and your customers can click on the icons, be taken directly to your social media platforms, give you a follow, and see what you're up to. Let's move along. I'm now going to head over to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Mighty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. If you don't have a logo yet and you really want one, but you don't have a huge budget to hire a graphic designer, you can check out canva.com. There are some great options on there. My logo has now been updated. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it and move along. Now with multi-sites, we've also pre-selected all the colors used throughout our website as well. However, perhaps the signage throughout your pond supply store, your logo, your business cards, your branding on your vehicles is a completely different color. It's not quite matching this one over here, which is pretty neutral. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the handy little paint bucket over here and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to scroll right to the end. I think I've already selected that one. I'm going to go ahead and select this one rather. It goes really well with my branding and it looks really great. Let's head over to update section and make our way. We're making such great progress. I'm now going to head over to update image. Now, if you have your own images, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from. Multi-sites will automatically search for Pond Supply Store, but there's not quite any suitable images over there. So I'm going to go ahead and say fish pond. Let's put that in and see what pops up. Awesome. Look at that. Lots of suitable images. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. That looks really great. Lots of koi fish for my pond. Let's check it out. That looks really great. I'm going to go ahead and head over to update contents. Now over here you can change the title and subtitles to suit your business needs. Button doesn't have to say contact us today. You can link it to various places. So I'm going to go ahead and say get directions just for this button so you can see how easy it is to make the changes. Let's head over to choose link. Over here we can link to another website if need be. We can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. So for this one I'm going to do directions. And we can as well upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have a catalog or current promotions you're running. Go ahead and upload it as a PDF file. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file. Awesome. Over here again, pre-written content as a guideline for you. If you need to make changes, link the button to various other places, click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your pond supply store came to be, how long you've been in the industry. Do you offer pond accessories? Do you also offer fountain heads, underwater lights, stones? Go ahead and pop all the details over here. Plants, fish, go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know your story and how your business came to be. Awesome. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services your pond supply store offers. Do you also not, in addition to supplying the items, do you also offer pond design, pond installation, and pond maintenance? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know what services they can come to you for. If you need to make any last changes to those hours we previously put, the trading hours and the physical location or button, go ahead and click on update section. So look at that. We've literally created and launched a website for our pond supply store in not even 10 minutes, gone through the various sections, made some changes. It was such a breeze. I didn't need to know any coding. I didn't need to be a web developer, and I certainly didn't need to hire a web professional to help me with this service either. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So do comment below, click on the link, and sign up for the free trial and let us know how it works for you and your small business. Now, if you have a custom domain for your koi supply store, sorry, your pond supply store, I'm thinking of koi's because of ponds. All you need to do is click on connect your domain button over here and click on I already have a domain. Now, there is a step-by-step guide over on our blog at www.mightysites.com with a step-by-step guide on how to connect your domain if you're struggling. There's also some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online, so do check it out. There's also a YouTube tutorial available on our channel as well on how to link your domain. But if you're struggling, you can let us know and we will assist you with connecting it. Now, if you don't have a domain, all you need to do is click on I want a new domain, because we're really excited to announce you can now purchase your custom domain through the Mighty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited about it. We want to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your pond supply store. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your pond supply store. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to head over to our YouTube channel and click subscribe so more people can hear about the Mighty Site service.